In the vast and intricate field of big data, two titans rise above the rest: Apache Storm and Apache Samza. These open-source frameworks, each a powerhouse in its own right, are instrumental in processing large volumes of data in real time. But when placed side by side, how do these two compare? Apache Storm, the brainchild of Backtype and later Twitter, is a real-time computation system. It excels in processing unbounded streams of data, making it a popular choice for real-time analytics, online machine learning, and more. Its unique ability to process millions of tuples per second per node is unmatched. Furthermore, Storm guarantees data processing regardless of machine failures. It's a system designed for speed, flexibility, and fault tolerance. On the other hand, we have Apache Samza. Developed by LinkedIn, Samza is a stateful stream processing system. Samza shines when it comes to maintaining state across a distributed system. It integrates directly with Apache Kafka for messaging and Apache Hadoop Yarn for fault tolerance, security, and resource management. Samza's strength lies in its ability to manage state, process events, and handle large-scale messaging. Now let's delve into the contrasting features of these two. Apache Storm is fast. It's designed for high-speed data flow, processing data in real time as it comes in. It's like a high-speed train, unstoppable and relentless. Apache Samza, however, is more like a careful architect. It meticulously maintains and manages state across distributed systems, ensuring that every piece of data finds its rightful place. While it may not have the sheer speed of Storm, it makes up for it with its methodical and organized approach to data processing. In terms of fault tolerance, both systems have their strategies. Storm relies on its robust system design and real-time computation to weather any failures. Samza, on the other hand, leverages the power of Hadoop Yarn and Kafka, using their built-in fault tolerance features to its advantage. So which is better for big data? The answer is not as black and white as one might expect. Both Apache Storm and Apache Samza have their merits and demerits. Storm's speed and real-time processing capabilities make it a formidable choice for scenarios where speed is of the essence. However, Samza's meticulous state management and integration with Kafka and Hadoop make it a robust choice for applications that require careful data management and organization. To sum it up, Apache Storm is a powerhouse of speed and real-time processing, while Apache Samza is a meticulous manager of state and distributed systems, each excelling in their own domains. The choice between the two depends on the specific requirements of your big data project. Remember, in the world of big data, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Each project has its unique needs, and the right tools can make all the difference. So whether it's Apache Storm's lightning speed or Apache Samza's careful orchestration, choose wisely and let the data guide you.